In the aftermath of Constantinople's fall, three men gathered to speak of their conqueror.
The Sultan's voice, deep as thunder, yet smooth as silk.
Cold precision, like a blade cutting through marble.
In battle, his voice could rally 10,000 men, yet when he recited poetry, it was like hearing angels and demons at once.
A voice that conquered more than armies ever could.
But what did that legendary voice truly sound like?
I am Mehmed, son of Murad, heir to the throne of 2 worlds. This city was promised to me by God and history itself. Today, Constantinople becomes Istanbul.